Okay, so good afternoon everyone. So our next topic or our topic for this afternoon is about Atterberg limit. Okay. You have to understand, class. Now when we are talking about kanang Atterberg limit, it is just about water content sa usa ka soil nga ato ang ginastadihan. Okay? So, para nako class, ang Atterberg limit kay pwede nato tawagon siya og properties. It can be called as properties of water content. Okay? So, ang atong Atterberg limit, pwede siya tawagon og properties of water content. So, in here, mag-vary ang ato ang water content if mag-vary ang ato ang water content, so it means mag-usob-usob ang condition sa soil according sa iyahang water content. Okay? So, as you increase the water content of our soil, so for example, let's say our water content of our soil is 0, so therefore, the condition of our soil is dry. And as you increase it, mahimo siyang shrinkage limit, and then until mahimo so from solid phase paingon sa semi-solid, and then as you increase the water content paingon siya sa plastic phase, and then increase na pud nimo mahimo siyang liquid phase. So when you say liquid phase, ang condition ani niya is more like mura siya og lean soup, or mura na siya og sabaw kay daghan na kay siya og water sulod sa ato ang soil. And when you say plastic pod, mura siya og soft butter. Okay? Ang semi-solid, mura siya og cheese. And then, ang atong solid phase, mura siya og hard candy. Wa. So, para mas ma-imagine ninyo, pwede ninyo ni siya himuong guide kaning lean soup, soft butter, cheese, and hard candy. Nakuha? Okay. Now, let's talk about plastic limit. Okay, plastic limit. So, plastic limit is the water content at which ang soil water phase changes from semi-solid phase to plastic consistency, at it is rolled into a 3.175 mm or 1/8 inches in diameter thread in a standard test. Okay? So, if ang soil water phase changes from semi-solid to plastic, just like here, semi-solid to plastic, so therefore, nata sa plastic limit na phase. Okay. Unsa may procedure sa ato ang plastic limit? So, sa plastic limit, atong first step is to assemble all the components, apil natong soil, mixed soil, and water. Okay? So, and then, next thing to do is we have to roll the wet soil to ellipsoidal mass with hands. Ito akong gisend na video. So, mo to siya yung mga procedure. So, third is roll on glass plate. So, after na to ma-roll sa hand in a ellipsoidal shape, ito siyang i-roll sa to ang plate or kanang ginatawag na plastic limit device until ang iyahang diameter kay mahimo ng 1/8 inches roll in diameter. Okay? So, when soil crumbles at 1/8 inches diameter is achieved, you are at PL. So, it means mo na iyahang plastic limit. So, himong buhaton ana, if mo crumble na siya, you have to take the water content. So, sa man pag-take sa water content? So, if na-achieve na to nimo, pag roll nimo at 1/8 inches diameter, ni crumble na siya, imo to siyang kuhaon, and then imo to siya ibutang sa can, imo siyang timbangon nimo ang can, timbangon pud nimo tong imuhang gi-roll na soil, and then after that, imo siyang ibutang sa sa oven dry. Imo siyang i-oven dry. So, pag oven nimo diha, after 24 hours, after ana, imo na pong timbangon. And then, you have to get the water content using the formula of our water content. So, the formula for our water content is weight of mass of water all over weight of mass of solid dry. Nakuha? Okay. Now, so kato na test, you have to get at least 4 samples. So, if na may 4 samples, you have to average it. So, imong itotal ta ng moisture content sa upat ka book samples, and then you have to divide it by 4. So, at least 4 ha. Kay the more nga mudaghan ang atoang samples, the more nga magka-accurate ang atoang moisture content. Kay at least gamay na siya ang error compare sa duha tulo ra ang atong kuan og moisture content. Okay? Sige. So you have to remember this class ha kani. Kay bali mo ni siya formula sa pagkuha sa atong plastic limit. So, atong plastic limit is equal lang siya sa average sa upat ka samples nga imong gikuhaan og moisture content. Using katong method nga imong gi-roll sa imong hand, and then gi-roll nimo sa glass plate. Okay? Until mo crumble siya at 1/8 inches diameter. Okay, now let's move on to the liquid limit using Casagrande method. So, when you say Casagrande method, let's first define liquid limit. So, liquid limit, it is the moisture content. So, moisture content lang gihapon siya class. Moisture content at which the groove formed by a standard tool into the sample of soil taken in the standard cup closes for 10 mm to 13 mm on being given 25 blows in a standard test. Okay. Let's ato sang basahon ang iyahang procedure klasa. So, kato po atong plastic limit class. Ang particle size sa soil nga atong gamiton is ang mupas through number 40 sieve or mupas through at 0.425 mm diameter. So, katong ni-pass through ana na sieve, muto siya kuha na to upat ka book samples to get our PL. And for our liquid limit, ato pong gamito na particle size is kato pong mupas through number 40 sieve or 4.425 mm diameter. Okay, so atong buhaton ana is i-assemble ang components, and of course gather ta sa mga materials, especially our soil sample. And then katong soil sample na ato to siyang bason. So bason siya nato hinay-hinay ha, and then ibutang nato siya sa ato ang Casagrande. So, for example, this is our Casagrande tool. Kana. For example, ato na yung tool klasa. Kana. So, for example, ato ang soil is kani. Muna siya ato ang soil. So atong ibutang tong soil nga basa-basa nato. Pero dili jud siya nato direktaon og basa tanan ha. For example, muna siya ato ang soil nga basa-basa. And then ato lang na. So ato na siyang gibutang diha. And then fill the liquid limit device or our Casa Grande 2/3 high with wet soil. And then we have to cut groove with tool. So ato na ni siyang gikat naman tay groove tool, di ba? And then gikat nato siya diring dapita. So muna siyang na siya space. Okay? So ang ginatawag atong pagkat is grooving tool. And then we have to lift this. Ato ni siyang i-lift. I-lift siya nato until i-lift siya nato. Lift the kani. Ato siyang i-lift with a constant rate. Okay? So, as we lift it, ato mag-count pud ta sa number of blows. So, pag-count, for example, at number 15, kaning soil dire, kaninaog na, and then nag-meet na sila dire sa ubos, so we have to stop. So, therefore, for example, at number 15 blows, nag-meet na ang ato ang soil diare, nag-meet na ning soil dire, nag-meet na sila at 13 mm, so we have to stop. And then, mukuha na ta sa ato ang soil sample. Okay? And then, kanang at number 15 blows, kanang soil sample nga atong gikuha diha, ato na po na siya kuhaag water content. So, pag kuhaag water content, ato siyang, ang can na to, ato itimbang, and then itimbang na to siya, napod ato ang soil, sulod sa can, and then ibutang sa oven, and then oven dry na to for 24 hours. And after that, ato na po siyang kuhaon, and then timbangon, and then kuhaan og moisture content using the formula nga akong nahatag atong niagi. Kuha. Okay. So, kanus aman ta makaingon na liquid limit na siya. So, at number 15 blows, ang ato adjong kanang for example class, first try pa lang nato. Example ha. So, at first try ta naglift ta sa ato ang kuan. Dire, ato ni siyang gilift. And then, at number 25 blows, nahulog na ning mga soil diha. So, therefore, ang moisture content at number 25 blows, mauna na ang ato ang liquid limit. Direkta. Nakuha? Okay. Pero, katong kanina, ang atong nakuha is at 15 blows, ana pa nag-meet ang ato ang soil dirin dapita. So, kuhaan nato na siya og moisture content. And then, mo try na putag second try. Pag second try nato at 20 blows, nag-meet na pod nin dire. So, kuhaan na po nato nig moisture content. Okay? And then, at third try, at 30 blows, kuha na po natog moisture content. Nakuha? Okay. So, after that, ato siyang i-graph. So, pag-graph na to, muna siya atong x-axis is our number of blows, ato ang y-axis is our moisture content. So, di ba ato manis lang kuhaan og moisture content. So, for example, at first try, after gi-oven nato, nakuha nato ang 30 moisture content, 28 and 24. So, sa pag-graph nato class, mo ni siya ang ato ang pag-graph, results sa atong graph. So, atong kuhaon at ato na po siyang natawon if pila ang moisture content niya at number 25 blows. Okay? So, atong natawon. Pila man So, kani. So, if pila ni siya, therefore, mo na ni siya ato ang, if pila ang ato ang moisture content at 25 blows, mo na siya ato ang liquid limit. Okay? Sige. So, what if, class, sa first try ninyo is nag-meet ang atong soil at number 14 blows. Sa may mahitabo. So, ang pasabot ana, basa ra kayo ato ang soil. Kaya ang accepted range sa atong number of blows is 15 to 35 blows. So, if less than 15 na siya, therefore, we can conclude nga nadaghanan nato siya water. Munang dapat, hinahinayon na nato siya og butang og tubig. Okay? And then, if more than 35 na pud siya, dry ra siya kayo. So, kulangan siya tubig. So, it's better nga dry siya kay madugangan man atong tubig. Compare if less than 15 siya. So, ato dyan siyang usbon ang sample. Diba? Kay sobra naman siya tubig. So, ang accepted range is 15 to 35 blows. Kuha. So, ang importante ana is makuha nato ang moisture content at 25 blows. Pero sa first try pa lang, class, for example, sa first try ninyo, nakakuha na mo og na nag-meet atong soil at 25 blows, therefore, di na mo mag-graph ingon ani. Direkta na mo kung sa atong yung moisture content nga makuha sa 25, therefore, mo na to inyong liquid limit. Okay? Sige. Okay, for the shrinkage limit. So, sa atong shrinkage limit, you have to memorize this formula. So, mass of wet soil minus mass of dry soil all over mass of dry soil times 100 minus quantity of volume of wet soil minus volume of dry soil all over mass of dry soil times the density of water times 100. Okay, so mura na. And then for the plasticity index, so LL minus PL. So you still have to memorize that also. And then we have here the mga designation. So you have to memorize this kani. Okay, magawas po ni siya sa exam. Just like sa atong first exam. So, if atong PI is 0, so atong degree of plasticity is non-plastic and type of soil is sand. If less than 7 ang PI, so low plastic siya, type of soil is silt. If 7 to 17, medium plastic and then silt clay. And if it's greater than 17, highly plastic and clay ang atoang type of soil. For the liquidity index, so we have this formula. Moisture content minus PL all over LL minus PL. So, nanapod ta iyahang mga designation dire. So, you still have to memorize all of this. So, if Li is between this, ranging 0 to 0.25, then the consistency is stiff. And so on. Okay? You still have to memorize also this. Next is consistency index. So, ang consistency index indicates the consistency or the firmness of a soil. So, soil at the sa liquid limit will have a consistency index of 0. So, ang yang pasabot, ningon siya nga soil at the liquid limit will have CI is equal to 0. While soil at the plastic limit will have a consistency index of 1. And if moisture content or water content is greater than liquid limit, then CI is negative. So if negative siya, it means the soil is in liquid state. So this means liquid state. So you have to take note about this one. Ako ha? Sige. Now for our flow index. So for our flow index, we have a formula: water content 1 minus W2 all over log N2 over N1. So ang W1, it is the water content at your first blow. Okay? It is the water content at first blow, and W2 is the water content at second blow. And then, ang N1, it is the number of blows at your first try, and at your second try, pila ka number of blows mo na siya N2. Okay? Now, for the toughness index. So, ang toughness index, class, it is the ratio of plasticity index and flow index of a soil sample. Okay? So, this gives us an idea of shear strength of soil at its plastic limit. So, when ang paminaw ha, if ang toughness index is less than 1, the soil is said to be friable. Soil is friable. So, what do you mean by friable? If Ti daw is less than 1, the soil is friable. What does it mean? So, friable means it can be easily crushed at plastic limit. So, kung daw Ti na makompute is less than 1, it means medyo kanang mahina ang type sa ang soil. But it doesn't mean na dili na siya pwede tukuran og example balay. So it means ang work sa CE is to determine the safest size and design sa ang structure for a very specific type of soil. Okay? So if makita nato class nga ang atong TY is less than 1, so we can conclude that the soil is friable. So, as a civil engineer, pwede tang makadesign og mas stronger na foundation para sa type of soil nga na nato. Okay? But if it is greater than 1, so therefore, our soil is kanang mas taas siya og strength compare if less than 1 siya. Okay? Sige. So, therefore, it is important for us to get T1. Okay, at least at T1, we can have some conclusion about sa condition sa ato ang soil. If it is strong or friable ba ang ato ang soil. Okay? Sige. Now, for the activity number, we have A is equal to Pi all over the percent of soil finer than 0.002. So, later on, madiscuss na nato ni. Okay? So, you have to memorize that. And then, mga designation. So, activity number less than 0.75. So, the type of soil is inactive. And so on. Okay? Memorize. And then, shrinkage ratio is, you memorize the formula. Mass of dry over volume of dry times the density unit of water. and then specific gravity of solids. So, if given ta, makakuha ta og shrinkage limit and shrinkage ratio, so we can use this formula, 1 all over 1 over SR minus SL to get our specific gravity of solids. Solids not soil. Okay? Now, let's try to answer our assignment. So, number 1. The following results were obtained from a liquid limit test on a clay using the Casagrande cup device. So, the natural water content of this clay is 38% water content daw. And the plastic limit is 21%. So, given ta, ani, so, what is the liquid limit of this clay, the PI, and the liquidity index? Okay. Solution. Okay, so letter A. So, how to get the liquid limit? Saan ganito pagkuhag liquid limit, class? So, we have to get the water content at number 25 blows. Since sa atong given, wala man tayo 25, so pwede man ta maka-graph, diba? So, if natay graph, pwede siya nato i-graph. Ana. Wait. Kana. So, bali, 6, 12, 20, 28, 32. 12, 32. Then, 30. So, for example, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So, at 6, we have 52. For example, na siya dire. At 12, we have 47. At 20, we have 42. At 28, we have 38. And then 30. Yeah. 38. Kana. Okay, so muna siya diri ang number of blows and then moisture content in percentage. So, if we were to connect the dot, natay, ang makuha na to is linear. Okay? Linear. So, what if sa exam, dili given ang graph? So, saan man nato pagkuha ang water content at 25 blows? Diba? So, for example, if given ni siya, kuhaan lang siya nato at 25. For example, dire ang 25, pila ning moisture content dire, muna ni siya atong liquid limit, no? Pero, the graph is not given for this problem. So, we need to do what? Linear interpolation. So, sa interpolation class, there are two types of interpolation, linear and logarithmic. So, kaning logarithmic nga interpolation, use siya if ang ato ang graph is curve. Pero, since linear man ni siya, so mo ni atong gamiton, linear interpolation. Okay? Basta gani, about na siya sa liquid limit class, always use linear interpolation. So, we can do this sa atong calculator, but para mas makabalo mo, unsaon siya pag manual interpolate, nganion ra siya. For our solution, atong gaan makuha is 25. So, ang 25 is between 20 and 28. So, butang tag 25 dira, and this is our unknown value x. So, muna siya ang moisture contents at 25 nga tong kwaon. Okay. So, makita na to dire class, diba? Na siya tungod sa 40. Na siya sa mga 40. Approximately 40. Okay. Let's say, for example, sige. So, ato san isulat og ingon ani para di mo maglibog. 20, 25, 28, 38.6. So, dire na sila gikan ha. So, unsa may respective value sa 20? Isa may ang moisture content, 42.3. So, this is number of blows. And this is moisture content in percent. Okay, so for our solution, so 20 minus 25, so ato unahon nila then 25 minus 28. So 20 minus 25 kana, and then 25 minus 28. Okay? Equal. So pila may value sa 25? Atong moisture content, we have 42.3. How about sa atong 25? X. Sunod, 25 is X, and 28 is 38.6. So, ingon ana ra. So, if you have to shift solve that, makuha na to ang value sa atong X, 39.99% or approximately 40%. So, therefore, this is our moisture content at 25 blows. So, therefore, liquid limit is equal to 39.99% or 40%. So, if na may graph, approximately equal dyan na sila. Okay? If mag-graph ninyo siya. So, mas maayo, para di na mo mag-listen, mag-graph mo, gamitan lang ninyo og interpolation. Okay? Sige. So, you may take a screenshot for this one. Okay. Now, for letter B. Question letter B is plasticity index. So, we know the formula is PI is equal to liquid limit minus plastic limit. So, na tayo liquid limit, diba? So, let's just use 40. So, 40 minus PL. Given PL, 21. So, pila man eh. PI na to. Pila PI? 19%. So, muna siya ang ato ang plasticity and index. Now, for our So, di ba, sa may designation if atong PI is greater than 17. So, ganito. If PI is greater than 17, 19 man atong PI. So, itong PI. So, clay ang atuang soil. So, we can confirm, ganyan siya, isgot man siya clay dire, clay jud ay atong soil. So, clay siya. Letter C, for our liquidity index, a formula for that is water content minus PL over PI. Okay? So, pila man tong water content? It is given 38 minus PL, 21 over 19. So, pila man eh? 0.895. So, that is our liquidity index. 0.895. Sige. You may take a screenshot. Now, let's proceed to number 2. The following data were obtained from the Atterberg limit test for soil. So, may question, ani? What is the plasticity index of the soil? So, easy ra. So, may plasticity index, ani? So, easy. Okay, so let's proceed. So, to get our PI is equal to 41 minus 21.1. So, pila PI? Saba kayo. Pila man na? .1. So, we have 19.9 plasticity index. So, for letter B, moisture content of the soil is 30. And what is the liquidity index? Pila man eh? 30 minus PL. 19.9. So, pila? So, we have 0.447. Yeah. So, what would be the nature of soil in terms of its Li? So, sama tong Li. Designation for Li is less than less than 1 siya. So, plastic. Wait. Okay, if this is okay, so less than 1. So therefore, answer here is plastic. So plastic in designation. Now, this one, given na what is its PI. So simple. Okay. PI na to is equal to liquid limit minus PL. 27 minus 15. So, therefore, 12 atong PI. Then, letter B. What is the soil's Li? Water content minus ito, water content minus sa formula ito. PL over PI. PL na to 15 over 12. So, pila man eh. So, 0. Wait. Save lagi po. 20% ang moisture content. And then, PL na to is 15. So, Li is, diba, sakto naman. 15 man. PL is 15. PI is 12. 20 minus 15 divide 12. So, this is 0.417. Okay? There's CI. So, formula CI. Formula for our CI is LL minus over diba? LL minus PI. So our liquid limit is 27 minus moisture content over minus 12. Okay? 7. 57. Hindi mo ako answer doon. Consistency index. So, our consistency index. Ano kung makuha? Saan? Answered kay dire is not the same sa ako ang na-solve karon. Naman eh. 15. PI is 12. So, Li. This is Li, ha? So, the formula of our Li. Ito naman po niyo sa, diba? Water content. 20 minus 15 over 12. So, this is correct. Kada ba tag nakuha? Si Pietra ko ani. Okay. Never mind. Mamadyo ako makuha. So, if the answer is wrong, just tell me, ha? If asa ko na si Piat. Kaya ako ang answer kay dire is different from the answer I have karon. Well, anyway, atong liquid limit is, what is our liquid limit? 27 minus water content 20, then 27 again. For our PI is 12. So this is 0.467. Okay, so ang kabalo, if na ba ko yung sayop ani, or basig lahi tag answer, so just tell me if asa ko na si Piat, ha? Ay, so ganing kay katubang estudyante, walay tig correct ni mo. Well, as for the record, mo dyan niya ako makuha ng mga value. I don't know ngano sa ako ang notes different sa akong makuha karon. There's something wrong. Okay. Let's proceed to D. So, what is the soil toughness index, or our TI? So, TI is equal to PI over FI. And then, given na po taog, flow index, 13.58. So, PI na to is 12 all over 13.58. Okay. So, 0.884. So, if it is less than 1, therefore, the soil is what? Friable. So, the soil is weak or easily crumbled siya. So, dapat atong foundation during the pita is good enough para sa ato ang soil. Makaya siya. Okay? Sige. So, kaning B and C, ha, please correct me if I'm wrong. Kaya ako ang notes nga answer o karon nga answer different din siya. I don't know if asa ko na sayo. Okay? Sige. So, if you have questions, sa GC lang mo chat. Okay? Kay magbalik-balik ang question. Gi-question na ni Kuan and then mabalik na pod kay nag-copy ka siya ansiran binagsa ba. Okay mo nang sa GC ra mo istorya, ha? No may question, ha? Okay, so ako ra pod ni siya i-send sa atong GC ning notes nato karon. And you have to, if inyong question is, need ba na i-memorize po tong mga designation? Yes, need silang i-memorize. Okay, take note of the interpolation, ha? Kaya I think new pa ninyo. Sige. So that's it for today. So if you have question, sa GC lang mo chat. Okay? Sige. Thank you.